If you ever bought a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube and you scrambled it, but then you don't know how to solve it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So the first step to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube is to make a cross on the yellow side. But those edges have to be white color. Like for example, this one. This is a white edge. So you have to bring it to the top yellow center. So search for the other ones, and this is one. If you turn it up, now it's in the yellow side. Another one, and we keep it in the yellow side. And this is there. We have to take this to here. So we can just turn like this. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be getting 4 edges on the yellow side. After that, what you have to do is you have to understand which color is the white edge associated with. So here white color and blue color is there. So these two colors have to match. So since this is orange, these two won't match. You have to search for the blue color. So this is the blue center. So we have to match these together like this. So once you get a pair like this, you just have to rotate it like this, clockwise or anti-clockwise, and take it to the white center. We have to just repeat that with the other sides. So here orange, these two are same already. So we can just turn it like this. These two are not same. This is red and this is green. So we have to find the red center and we have to pair it over there like this. And the last one, green color, we'll take it to the green center like this, pair it up and rotate it. There you go. You got a cross, and the center pieces of the other colors are the same as the white edge. So what you have to do next is you have to fill in these 4 corners. So how do you do that? I'll explain you. First you have to find a corner in which white is there. So this is one corner. It has white, green and red. So the colors which are there in this corner, that represents the place where it has to be. So this has the colors red, green and white. So this has to be in middle of red and green centers. So we take it here. This is the green and this is the red. So this has to come here. So this is the right place for this corner. So how do you keep it in? So when you look at the corner, if the white side is facing to the right side, then you have to turn your cube to the right and make that white color face the other side. After that, what you have to do is perform an algorithm called right algorithm, which is turning right hand up, turning this top to the left, right hand down, and turning it back to the right. And there you go, the piece is back inside. We just have to repeat these steps for the other corners as well. This is another corner which has white, blue and orange. So this piece has to come in between blue and orange centers. So we take it here, blue and orange. So this place is here. So same step, the white side is on the right side. So we turn it and we do the right algorithm. Right hand up, top left, right hand down and top right. And there it is. Now you might see this one. This is blue and red. So this has to come in between of these two. Now this is facing to the left side. So what you have to do is turn it to the left and do the right algorithm but on the left side, which is left hand up, top to the right, left hand down and then to the left. There you go. And the last one, which is orange and green, it comes in between this. Since this is facing on top, you have to do the right algorithm 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Result, the white side is finished and these all colors are also same. So the next step after making the white side finished is you have to fill in these middle ones, these four. So what you have to do is you have to find other color edges which don't have yellow. For example, this is not the one since here yellow color is there. But you see this edge, it has green and orange. So this is one pair you can take. So you have to match these two colors. So green, so if they are matching, that is the right place. Now we have to look at the top color. So this is orange. So if the orange color is on the right, then you have to turn this to the left. Then what you have to do is perform a right algorithm. Right hand up, top to the right, right hand down, top to the left. Then you have to turn the cube to the right side and then do the same thing but with your left hand. Left hand up, turn to the right, left hand down and turn to the left. And there you go. The piece is inserted and this is a total pair. So you have to get a pair like this, then only you can solve it. Now we will take the next one which is green and red. So this is blue center, so these two are not matching. We have to search for green and there you go. So since these two are matching, now this is red color on the top and red is on the left side. So what you have to do is turn this to the right and perform a left algorithm. Left hand up, turn to the right, left hand down and turn to the left. Then you have to turn the cube, repeat the same thing but with the right hand. Right hand up, turn to the left, right hand down, turn to the right. There you go, the piece is inserted. Next one is blue and orange. So these two are not same and here it's same. Blue is on the right side, so you turn it to the left, perform one right algorithm, then turn it, then do the left algorithm and it's in. Same thing with the red color. Same thing with the red color. Red, blue on the left side, turn it here, perform a left algorithm, turn the cube, perform the right algorithm. And there you go. The F12 step is finished. Sometimes you might also get a case like this where the color is not the right way or it is somewhere in another place. So what you have to do is perform a right algorithm and then turn the cube, perform left algorithm. And the piece is back inside but you can see the edge is outside. So now you can perform the normal method which I have told you just now. And there you go. So the next step in solving the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube is to get a cross on the yellow side. So before you get a cross, sometimes you get three cases, which is the hook, which is in the form of L shape. So what you have to do is keep the hook on the facing to the left side. So what you have to do is turn this face clockwise and perform two right algorithms. 1, 2, and then turn this anti-clockwise and then you get one cross. Sometimes the second case is you will get a straight line like this, and how to make a cross for this. So you have to keep the line horizontal, not vertical like this. It has to be horizontal. So what you have to do is turn the front clockwise and then perform one right algorithm and then turn this anti-clockwise. Then you get a cross. Sometimes you might get only a single dot. So what you have to do is turn the front clockwise and then perform one right algorithm and turn it back to get a hook over here, which you have to turn and make it face to that side. And then you just have to solve the hook algorithm, which is turning this clockwise and then performing two right algorithms to get across. So the next step to solve the cube is you have to match the yellow edges to the color. So for example, you can see that red color matches with this and no other color matches. That doesn't mean you only have one color same, you just have to turn it either left side or right side somehow, and you you will definitely get either two in the right place, like 1 and 2, or you might get all four, but as you can see I only got 2. So what you have to do is make this face to the back and the other color you have to make it face to the right, and you have to perform an algorithm called the soon, which is turning right hand up, turn to the left, right hand down, turn again to the left, then turn this right hand up, and you have to bring this pair to here, which is just turning it 2 times, and down. Then you have to match the colors again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you have already got the colors same, then you can just skip the step and go for the next one. So the next step after making the cross and matching the colors of the edges, you have to match the colors of the corners as well. So how do you do that? So you get three cases, either at least one corner will be in its place, or all four will be in its place, or zero. So what you have to do is search for anything which is in its right place. So this is orange and blue, but here it's green and red, so this is not correct. Here it's blue and red, but here green and orange, so this is also not in the right spot. Red and green, and there is no, and these two are not the correct color, so this is also not in the right spot. Green and orange, but here it's blue and red, so this is also not in the right spot. So I have 0 in the right spot. Some might get 1, some might get 3, or some might get 4. If you got all 4 in the right place, you can skip this step. So for anyone who is wondering, who doesn't have even a single one in the right place, you have to perform the Nicholas algorithm in any side or any angle. So what is the Nicholas algorithm? So what you should do is you have to take the right hand up, then turn to the right, then left hand up, turn to the left, right hand down, turn to the right, and left hand down. Then match the colors again by turning to the left. So then you will either get 1 in the right spot. So if you have only 1, so what you have to do is you have to place this on the left side of the cube. So just turn the cube. You shouldn't move this thing. So since this is on the left side, what you have to do is perform the Nicholas algorithm again. Right hand up, turn to the right, left hand up, turn to the left, right hand down, turn to the right, left hand down, and turn to the left. Then you might get two cases where either you might get all in the right spot, or you will still not get. So if you still don't get it, you have to do Nicholas algorithm once again, then you'll get it. So the last step in solving the whole cube is actually pretty easy. So what you have to do next is you just have to turn the cube over, making the white on the top, and then you just have to perform the right algorithm till this corner goes into this place. So right algorithm I'll do. So I'll do the right algorithm. And once this is in place, you have to turn the yellow side, and I mean only turn the yellow side. Do not turn the whole cube or else you're just going to mess it up. So turn it once. Since this is already in its correct place, you don't have to do anything. Turn it again. Since this one you have to keep it back inside, you have to do the right algorithm. 1, 2, and there you go. The Rubik's cube is solved. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something from it. If you have any doubts or got stuck at any step, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll try to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be uploading more cubing videos soon, including tutorials on how to get even faster. And anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.